Hello, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make an Arroz con Pollo. I normally make this with my green peppers, red peppers, spices, but come to find out that all that has been causing issues for me. So I'm on a strict no spice diet. So I decided to make this with using different vegetables and seeing if I can still make a great tasting Arroz con Pollo. I started with a chicken breast, which I started grilling, and I got that to almost done, and then I put aside, I cut it up, and I added one zucchini that I chopped up, an onion, half an onion I chopped up in there, added half a teaspoon of garlic, and a little salt. So I'm going to just make this like a stir fry and mix it all up and get it all nice and tender. Then I'm going to add some carrots that I had cooked, and I'm going to chop those up and pour it in. But right now I'm going to get the zucchini, the onions, and the chicken nice and done and tender. So while I'm waiting on the zucchini, what I did was I took 2 cups of white rice and I put in 5 cups of water, and I put it in the microwave for like 15 minutes so it's all nice and tender. So I set that aside, and I'm still waiting on my zucchini to get soft. Now, to this mixture, I'm adding a half a cup of chopped carrots. They were baby carrots that I just cooked up. You can use canned carrots too, but I had those in the fridge, so I thought I'd go ahead and use them. Next thing I'm going to add is the rice. So you'll see this is what it looks like. Now when I did the zucchini, I did add a tablespoon of butter. I always add butter when I'm sauteing my vegetables. I like that better than the oil. I'll put all the rice in here, which should be in clumps, but we will get it all mashed out. Just mash and stir around. To add a little bit more butter to it. Let's do that. Like a tablespoon. I'm using the parquet because it has less fat in it. And that's another thing I can't have, is a lot of fat. So, once we get this all mashed up, we'll add some salt to it. And the last thing I'm going to add to it is cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle the whole thing. And once I serve this on a plate, I'll probably put a dollop of sour cream with it too. There we go. I'm just going to leave that melt over top of that. So this is my version of an Arroz con Pollo, fixed in a healthier way and not as spicy. As you can see, I put a dollop of sour cream on it. If you get the low fat, even better for you. But it's pretty much it's rice and vegetables and a little cheese on top. I hope you enjoy. This is Teal Cooking.